What up, y'all? I was just about to go to sleep, right? So I did one more little swift scroll on Twitter, the Real Marlo TV on Twitter. I did one little scroll, and I see a fight announced. Terence Crawford versus Anesthesia. I just said, what the fuck? Terence Crawford versus Anesthesia for December 10th? I thought this shit was a joke. I ain't gonna lie to you. I thought it was a joke, man. Terence Crawford deserves to be canceled after this shit, man. This nigga is canceled. This nigga just pulled the biggest duck in boxing history, nigga. This man just ducked Errol. I laugh at this shit so bizarre, nigga. I ain't never seen no shit like that. Terence Crawford just ducked Errol Spence to fight Anesthesia. Who the fuck is that, man? What the fuck? This for December 10th. So let me get this right. On Black BT Plus TV pay-per-view for $64.99. Career high payday. Hey, hopefully I wake up in the morning, right? What is it? It's October, right? It can't be April Fool. So hopefully I wake up in the morning, right? And this shit be a whole joke. Because I'm very tired right now. I was just about to go to sleep. It's about, what, 11:45. I'm really beyond my bedtime, right? So I might be tripping or something, but you know, hopefully I wake up and you know, it was just a joke. But as of right now, I know my eyes ain't playing games on me. I just seen Terence Crawford versus Anesthesia December 10th on pay-per-view on BET Plus. Nigga, if this ain't this nigga just dunked Errol Spence, bro. That shit is beyond me. So what I'm trying to figure out is, how the fuck did fight go from Terence Crawford agree to all terms, right, to Anesthesia December 10th? Terence Crawford had this shit planned already. Terence Crawford felt like Errol Spence outplayed him by having a fight in April when he fought Ugas. So his get back was to drag Spence along to already have a fight in mind while he was working on a fight. He was working on a fight the entire time. But he dragged Errol Spence along just to get back at him on some petty, hating, bitch shit. I ain't never seen no fucking shit. Terence Crawford should be canceled after this shit, man. I don't ever want to see this nigga again. Unless he jumping off a motherfucking bridge, some motherfucker. Cause, bro, I don't want to see a motherfucking soul trying to defend this shit, or your ass gonna feel the wrath of the Real Marlo TV. I'm telling you, bro. Niggas lucky y'all sleepy, cause I'm telling you, gang, I ain't never seen no shit like this, man. This nigga Terence Crawford just ducked Errol Spence for anesthesia. So this nigga, so he intentionally wanted Blue Blood Sports TV to put out a video saying that he accepted all the terms just to plant a seed for him to fight anesthesia. This shit. On some real shit. But done, man. Ain't no recovering from this, my boy. Niggas don't even give a fuck about the fight no more, because ain't no spring or Super Bowl September 4th. Because if you see, if they was trying to make a fight, this is February 4th before Super Bowl, and you turned around for December. That ain't possible. You done fucked up the fight. You done fucked up the biggest fight in boxing, bro. This nigga, if any nigga in the building watching this man fight anesthesia, I ought to throw a fucking boulder at your fucking head. I would throw a rock at your shit. Cause ain't no way in fuck any nigga supposed to be so important some shit like that. Nigga ain't. The nigga planted the seeds the whole time just to fight anesthesia. Who the fuck is anesthesia? So I clicked on the comment, right? Somebody said anesthesia is somebody who green beans knocked out. So you mean to tell me Bud went from fighting green beans to fighting a nigga green beans knocked out? Oh my God. Terence Crawford just went out so bad. Terence Crawford, he just ruined himself, bro. This nigga, if they get that nigga a Hall of Fame ring, I ought to bust they fucking head with a rock too. Ain't no way in fuck this nigga going to Hall of Fame, nigga, with this type of record, nigga. With this type of record, this nigga better not even. Nigga, I wake up tomorrow and I see a whole bunch of videos, and if I see any nigga defending this shit, I'm gonna squash your motherfucking ass like a roach. Cause it ain't a motherfucking thing you can say about this shit. This nigga fighting anesthesia. He already had it lined up. Hey, bro. Hopefully I wake up and niggas is playing a prank on me. You know what I'm saying? Just hopefully. Because I ain't never seen no shit. I'm very sleepy. But when I seen that, I had to make a video because I said, just pinch me real quick. But one monkey ass nigga don't stop the show. Errol Spence still gonna be popping and doing this thing no matter what. This nigga just fucked himself. This nigga just he gonna regret this motherfucking shit for the rest of his shit, nigga. He might well retire after anesthesia. After he fight anesthesia, it's time to retire. Just get your bitch ass the fuck out this motherfucker, nigga. We don't ever want to see you again, nigga. Keep fucking running, nigga, and don't look back. Do you understand me, bro? I'm not even bullshit. I don't ever want to see this nigga again. I don't give a fuck if he fighting King Kong. Get your fuck ass the fuck out of here, nigga. Now. We ought to boycott that motherfucking anesthesia motherfucking fight and get that nigga the fuck out of boxing. Expeditiously. It is what it is, man. Fuck that nigga. Cause it ain't like he was doing no numbers and make this a big ass. I just wanted to see his fucking eye pop. Goes to weeds. That's all fucking I want to see. But Errol Spence go on 154. Campaign that motherfucker. Jamel gotta get the fuck out the way. Or get rolled the fuck over. Yeah, what it is, nigga. Niggas gotta go on the motherfucking vengeance after this shit, nigga. Want all the belts, nigga. Every one of you, nigga, get in the ring now or get the fuck out of my way. Ain't no waiting on no nigga. Ain't no nothing. But get your fuck ass out. Nigga, get the fuck out of here, nigga. Right now, nigga. I'm telling you, bro. When I wake up, I'm on niggas' ass. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you ain't already subscribed. I'm out. Better be a fucking dream, nigga.